Mr. Whitaker?
How we doing, guys?
Hi, may I help you?
Yeah, it's Chris with Joe Bograd.
Yeah, this is nice. There he is, there he is. You see him walking? He's the mayor. There he is, the mayor. The Facebook superstar. He's like a social media king. Genovese took me around here to show me the kind of real estate these houses are. Like and I mean, I'm trying to maneuver like some of these houses here, not on the water, obviously. They're going probably for, these are probably 5, 6, 7 million.
Really?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
Right now,
It does feel like Beverly Hills.
right? Yeah, like these houses, we were actually, so you can't put signs here, so you'll see the houses that are for sale, you'll see.
Put sign?
No, you'll see a little thing, like a stand with a brochure inside. If I stop, like I picked them up last time I was here with him. But these houses, 5, 6 million. When you get to the water, then it's a different animal. 35, 40, 45, 50. Crazy numbers.
I'd rather buy here because this is no water. It's like
You're a little bit
Like this house right here.
That's insane.
This house, I'm curious to know.
Beautiful.
Is that for sale? No. No, this is just the builder. I don't think they just finished building.
it's more than 350. I can see.
Beautiful.
Yeah, that's not 350. You see though, it's like a different vibe here.
I like it.
I like it a lot too. Everybody, that's what he said. Genovese is like, Joe, everybody comes here like, oh, Naples is old.
Very suburban.
Everything closes very early.
Yeah.
Look at this house.
This looks like a Hollywood house.
Yeah.
That's good.
Very suburban. So, how do we, okay, we
Get our
opened
foot in the
an
door
office
here?
Yeah, how do we get clients here? We don't know
By
anybody.
having presence. And I said to him, do we need it? He's like, Joe, it's only a matter of time. And he's like, Joe, I will be here.
Yeah, he's right.
I mean, listen, he wants to
I'll
help.
come back and forth.
Why not? Listen, why not? We have 4 with Genovese, and he's got 3.
True.
7 listings already.
Yeah.
So why wouldn't he? Did he sign that listing contract, by the way? 5th Avenue Beach Club.
What's up, buddy?
You know what? It took me to like the beach because I think it was not registering. It's taking me to Tulia Asteria. That's the restaurant, right? We're supposed to meet there anyway afterwards.
Yeah, that's right. The restaurant is literally right underneath where the office is.
All right, so I'm gonna park right there. I'm literally down the street. I'm gonna look for parking here. I'm pulling into. I'm right on 5th Avenue right now.
Cool. I'll walk down.
All right, but I'll see you in a sec.
What's up, buddy? I was filming you, man. Hey, how
Hi,
you doing?
Jeff.
All right,
Nice
so
to meet
very
you.
good. If you need it, where is the office that you're talking about for us?
We're right there. That's the first one we're going to take a look at. Then there's a really nice new construction down on the left. They're not open until June, but she's going to try and get us in there. So in here you get a 3-desk office, and then there's another room for rent next door, which is a single office that they kind of connect.
The communal area.
So you could have 3 private desks in there with doors that shut, signage on the door, you know, and for the price around here, it's a good deal.
Okay,
So-
well, let's go take a look.
Yeah, let's take
go.
a look. So I saw you guys. I did a quick. I was like, we got a famous person over here. I'm gonna post it
Well,
with your dad following.
the guy just stopped there. He's like, "What do you guys do? Who are you
Yeah.
guys?" Because they're not used to seeing this. That's why I think this whole thing, this whole like videotape, the whole content, constantly cameras, it's gonna get people like, "What's going on here?" Mr. Whitaker,
How we doing, guys?
how we doing, baby? How beautiful it is here. And you got Mom Dukes in the back, and you got Dad in the back.
You brought the big guns.
I brought the big
Not
guns.
messing around.
They've never been here before. And you would imagine all these offices, and you still have people.
There's no walk-in. I've been here so many times. No, the people will like glance, but they're not getting any clients from walk-ins in Naples.
No.
Naples, everybody knows somebody that knows an agent. That's who they go with. They find it online.
So what do you think the purpose of an office is?
I think it's having the office
Associated.
that you have. It's almost like having a presence, and you know, if your office is down on 5th Ave in Naples, that's where everyone wants to be.
I mean, if you think about it, like, again, I'm not that familiar with Naples yet, but I think you put that on your business card, on your advertising, on your marketing, Naples, Florida, 5th Avenue, I think it has a ring to
It
it.
has a ring to it.
I mean, I do like this whole vibe here.
Here we go,
I feel
guys.
like I'm in Beverly Hills. I really do.
It feels like Rodeo Drive, you're right. This is beautiful, man. Okay. Hey, how are you?
How are you? Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you. So this is that conference room you're talking about, right?
Yeah, this is conference room. You can block it off.
Every client have access.
Is there any type of, you guys say, for example, I want to meet a client here at 11:30 at night.
Oh no.
So,
That's,
okay.
yeah. we're open from 9 to 5. The conference room, I mean, that's the same time of the receptionist.
Okay.
On
But
site.
what if I want to meet a client after hours? I don't have access?
Yes, you have access. If you have a suite with us, you have access 24/7.
Oh, so you do have access.
Yes,
Okay, okay. But you have
always
access,
go to your office,
but not here.
not to the conference
So
room.
conference room, okay, that's not a big deal. Cool. So this is the actual office, right?
So this is the one we could get, and it's one with a window, which is nice.
And this is the one that's back, that's the parking lot back here?
Correct.
Cool. I mean, what else do you need?
Well, that's the thing, and we're allowed to decorate. You put the
So
logo
this
up
would
there on
be
the wall.
the suite.
Yeah, this would be the suite, and we can basically do whatever we want in here.
That's right.
Okay. This
You know,
is-
and I just think for meetings, and you could rearrange the office and put more of a desk here, and then the shelving up there with
Yeah, we can do whatever we
the
want in
accent
here.
wall and the big logo, the Bograd Team there.
I think this is,
You know, and imagine if you're here filming and you're sitting there and that's in the back and you're on Fifth Ave in Naples. I mean, it's got the perception of,
you can make it whatever you want it to be.
Yeah.
Yeah. I would definitely think we'd have to utilize the space.
Yeah.
I mean, if you have
have to
it,
come
I would
here.
say I would have come here at least once a month.
Yeah.
I mean, more than once a month. I'm just saying we utilize the space like, like a monthly meeting in Florida.
Yeah.
And obviously, if once word gets out here that we're doing something, I'm sure other agents are going to come in here. We, get
that's
involved.
right. And then you have the flip side of it is nice and you can have team meetings here.
We can have lunch, go downstairs.
That's the thing.
Yeah.
It's a lot of lawyers and title companies.
Mortgage.
Oh, this is right on.
Yeah, this
on-
one's nice because of the window.
I think I like this one better.
Yeah, this one's really nice.
What, is this one comparable in price?
Yes.
You know, having the view right on Fifth is very nice.
And this, we can open this up if we want to, right?
Yeah, you can open the.
I don't want to break it. I'll break it knowing
There
me.
you go.
Yeah.
Yo. There you go.
Yeah, I don't know how much they want for that.
Well, this is somebody who's.
Taken.
It's taken.
It's taken.
It's already, it's already reserved for
This
someone.
is nice.
Boy, that's nice. It has a balcony.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
it's a real estate office.
Yeah, with a
It used to,
balcony.
yeah, it was a real estate office. They just moved out last weekend.
Oh, so somebody rented it already?
Already taken?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a nice one.
Oh, okay.
That's why I said, I mean, these offices are going up fast.
And then there's a really nice kitchen here, refrigerator.
Okay, so-
And the bathrooms, what'd you think? Did it pass the, pass the test?
I mean, it's very,
Does the job.
very unique.
I like it so far. I like what I see. So thanks for bringing us here, Chris, and thank you for meeting us. I appreciate it.
Where's your parents?
They probably vanished. They like.
No, they're back in there somewhere.
Are they? Are they put a deposit? Mom, Dad. Hello, Dad.
Yes,
Ready?
ready.
We're leaving.
Ready when you are.
You guys moving in?
We did have a reservation, but it doesn't look like we need one for lunch. We can just go anywhere.
I do like this whole location.
Beautiful. I keep coming back to this one, and I've looked at a couple. I went to look at the Regis.
There it is.
Yeah, that's the office.
Can you put your signs there?
Yes. Is somebody meeting us at the next one or no?
Yes, we have an appointment there, I believe, 1, so it's perfect timing, and we'll walk down this way. So she said they'll take us a little bit early, Joe, so we're good.
Oh, perfect. So let's do that, and we can grab a bite afterwards.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. Yeah, this is really nice, and they do, when I was here once, Joe,
Is this
I was here a couple of weeks ago.
It's a
they had-
theater, right?
There's a theater, but they always do events out here, and a couple of weeks ago I was down here, and they had supercars here. Like,
Oh, this is the one.
Recognize
supercars.
Joe. Oh, really?
Yeah.
So they're a big fan. That's really funny. That is funny. Here?
That's a
Just
good
now, the guy
sign.
just drove walking by me.
Honestly, Joe, it's a good sign.
Let's do it, man.
So somebody recognized Joe. We were out looking at a new construction property about a month and a half ago, and someone texted him saying, "I just saw you guys."
Ah, yeah. We were walking in front. We were standing in front of Geneviese's building. Yeah. So this is the second one, right?
Oh, and the entrance to this
Go ahead,
one.
guys.
Yeah, this is really nice.
Very cool.
I like this little
It's
courtyard
like a
though.
nice entrance, like a grand entrance.
Yeah, I do like this too.
Hi, may I help you?
Yeah, it's Chris with Joe Bograd.
Yeah, hi, Chris. Come on in. I'll go to the floor. Take.
Thank you.
After you guys.
Which floor?
Second floor.
After you. How are you? Yeah, this is nice.
Yeah.
How does the outside area work? Like first come, first serve? Like if I want to, that's all it is? So if somebody's sitting out here, we can't use it. Do they reserve it in advance or?
No, it's shared. I believe.
No, it's shared.
It's shared.
There's your direct access.
And here's your direct access for the balcony. Gets a little sunny on this side in the morning, so we keep these closed.
And this is the furniture that it comes with?
Yes, all of our suites come with furniture. You may bring in your own, and you can upgrade this to your liking at your expense.
Yes.
Could have
So this is a little bit bigger, obviously.
Yes, yes.
He's got a corner.
He's got a corner. This is not the largest office.
But it gives you an idea what you can do here.
Yeah.
You can.
Little color goes a long way.
We would need a seating area.
You would.
You want to bring clients.
So what?
Right.
And if we didn't want that furniture, you guys would take it?
Yeah, we
So-
store it.
okay.
Oh, see, Joe, you would definitely put a door in there.
I mean, oh, this is huge. I mean, compared to the other one.
Well,
check this out.
there's nothing wrong with that balcony office, guys. You can make it home.
I mean,
Yeah, but look at that. Look at that. Over there. This is like a
Just that waiting room.
well, I'm sure like, after hours you open the doors and you can just sit and have a
Yes.
drink overlooking Fifth
so
Avenue.
lovely.
Oh my God, yeah.
Really nice.
In York,
They did
this
a
is
great
satellite
job
office.
with this decoration. And they have a Harry Potter wand on top of their books. So I like this guy. I like this guy. I mean, this is all you could ever need. I mean, this is gorgeous. And
Okay, let's go eat lunch. I think number one, if we can secure that one with the start date of maybe June 1st, like you said, would be great. So what would it entail getting that place up to getting furniture, obviously, doing some paint and
I don't know that it's worth the cost except for the balcony. You know, but how many times are you going to be out on the balcony? How many times are clients actually going to come there? Well, there's title companies all over the place, and that's where we close. You know, the only reason we close with you at your office in Philly is because the title company's there.
I've had like what 3 closings yesterday and today. I just signed the contract from here. I haven't been to a settlement unless I'm representing the buyer. Probably in a year. It's not a little money, and it's a 2-year commitment. Believe me, I like more the fancier. I'd like to go that route too, but I also want to be. This is a market that I haven't sold one property here.
That's smart.
Yeah, so for us to kind of come into the West Coast and say, oh, we're coming in.
That first one for the price, that's fantastic. And it's also a bigger office than that one.
I'm telling you one thing. I'm just having ideas while we're talking. We come in here. 2 weeks from now, we come back again, and we do this we stop at like 3-4 different restaurants. We sit, we talk about Naples, Fifth Avenue. We show the office. I think we do a progression video. You know, I think there's a lot we can do here. So my buddy, he's on his 3rd cheesesteak place. He's from Philly.
We were talking
Cheesesteaks.com.
Yeah.
He's killing it. The first location, he's done 2 since
You know
then.
why? Everyone down here is from New York and Philly, and there aren't cheesesteak places. So people are like, what is this? They try one, they're like, this is amazing.
Yeah.
Like they're showing off.
For mañana. The rest is coming right now, okay? Very careful, the plate is hot.
Got a lot done.
Yeah.
They graded the hell out of this. So they're going to do a pickleball court over there.
Pickleball, cabana, pool, and it's about 160 feet of frontage.
Look at this seawall, man. This is awesome.
The seawall cost him about 400,000, he said.
So nice.
Yeah.
Oh, and look, it's deep water here.
Yeah. Didn't Mike say he was concerned with the dredging here?
He was concerned, getting a big boat in here, but this looks nice and deep.
You think it'd be okay?
Yeah, I mean, it looks deep.
There he is. Look. You see him walking?
Oh, that's funny.
Where's he walking from? He lives right there?
I don't know. I thought
No, he lives
he was over there. I thought. Yeah.
on the other side, yeah.
Yeah. He's the mayor. There he is, the mayor. Ed Genovese, the Facebook superstar. He's like a social media king.
Not the truffle shuffle.
The truffle
Oh
shuffle.
my goodness, man. I couldn't believe you did him that way.
Remember the truffle shuffle?
Are you getting this?
He's on the phone, always on the phone.
He's paying to get that scrub, man. It's expensive.
How are you, sir?
Thank you.
What up, man? How are you, sir?
Buddy, how you been, man? How's it going? The seawall looks
You guys met?
gorgeous.
Jess? You know this guy, right?
Oh, I didn't see you here. How are you?
How are you? How you doing,
Look at
man?
this guy.
Yeah.
What's poppin'?
Come over to the good side.
Yeah.
I bought the heavy hitters.
All right, here we go.
Wait a second.
Mr. Bograd.
Dad, take a look.
Joe never saw it. Joe never saw it.
Well, because you didn't send it to me.
Joe, you didn't have it.
You have to send it to me for me to see it.
Crazy.
Jet ski platform right there, and then a 50-foot boat lift right here.
Yeah, and I was just saying the water's nice and deep here.
Yeah, they're going to dredge further down.
Yeah, there's at least 4 feet here. That's
Well, they dredged
fantastic.
it for me. When they did the
Yeah.
seawall, they dredged it, but they're going to go way down. So the house will start right here. The pool goes here. The hot tub's going to go where the palm tree is. The house goes this way.
garage is there with 14 feet high with 2 lifts on each side, so you could park like 8 to 10 cars in there.
That's incredible.
Right,
man.
and then above the garage is the guest quarters, which is 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, kitchen above that.
So that's almost like a $4 million property
Right
around
here.
the guest house.
Yeah.
Why so many for sale signs?
Because these people are
wanna
old.
cash out,
These people
bro.
are old.
There are a lot of signs for
They're
sale.
old.
A lot of for sale
They're
signs.
like half dead.
Okay.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
So we sold this property with Jess, and he's going to tear this down. I think what, in May, April?
In there, I
He's tearing it down.
I couldn't believe how nice
Take
it
a
was.
look before you tear it down.
I can't believe how nice it was.
Wow, look at this.
Hi guys, it's my realtor. I'm just showing my realtor around.
How are you? How are you? This is nice. It's a nice house.
780.
Not a bad deal.
Sold it without ever visiting it.
First time we're seeing it, right? And he's tearing it down. I mean, it's a nice house. Any water? Oh, that's water.
Wait.
I'm taking a water. You know water?
Go ahead, sir. Come on.
Water?
So,
I'm taking a water.
yeah.
It's okay?
So I went to your house. Went to your house.
So when is the teardown of this thing happening?
April,
Okay.
May, I don't know.
So what are we listing this for? 4895?
No.
How many square feet is it going to be again?
I don't know. I didn't get that far yet. 3,400 maybe. So we go 2 stories high, the full footprint. This is where the pool is, everything is. He's already got 3 or 4 specs out, similar to the one.
No, those I saw. I saw those specs.
Similar to those.
Yeah.
4-bedroom house.
Okay.
4 bedrooms. So again, it's going to be
What's the square footage gonna be?
34.
34, 32, 34.
Okay.
Can't build it too big because you're not going to get that price in this neighborhood. So this is the lowest one. That's the second one, and that's, I don't know what that's.
It's crazy because it's right down the street and you can't get that price.
No, you can't.
So here's the lot. Where's our sign? Is it up there? So this lot right here, Genovese paid $4 million for it.
Wow.
This whole lot right here. See here? This is all Genovese. This is all him.
This is where the 14 million.
$14 million house is gonna go right here.
Wow.
Yeah. He's gonna meet us here any minute. Here's our sign. This is my sign. The one they just did, yeah. This is Genovese's.
Nice.
He paid $1.2 million for this lot, house. He tore it down, and he's gonna build that house there.
Wow.
This house wasn't for sale last time we were here either. There's a lot more things for sale than last time.
From Genovese, I'm home, let me know 5 minutes away.
I'm outside. I'm swimming in your swamp. All right, guys, we had an amazing trip in Florida. We got a lot accomplished. We saw some offices. We had some lunch with my parents. We looked at 3 new lots that are coming to market. And I took the 6 a.m. flight, and now we're here at my brand new listing. Same day, Washington Crossing Road, here in New 10 Bucks County. Stay tuned.